Have you ever pondered the significance of vitamin B12 or the repercussions of its deficiency? Well, today we delve into the realm of this vital nutrient, particularly its form known as mecobalamin. Vitamin B12 is like the conductor of a symphony orchestra, coordinating various elements to ensure the body operates in harmony. Mecobalamin, a key player in this orchestra, is a form of vitamin B12 that holds immense importance in our body's daily functions. So, what makes mecobalamin so important? It's all about the roles it performs. Picture a bustling city. The nerves are the city's complex network of roads, and mecobalamin acts as the maintenance crew, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Without it, our nerve function could be compromised, disrupting the city's flow. But mecobalamin's job doesn't stop there. It's also responsible for the formation of red blood cells, the city's transport system. These cells are like the buses, taxis, and trains that carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Without mecobalamin, these vehicles wouldn't be produced in adequate amounts, leading to a condition known as anemia. Finally, mecobalamin plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis, the city's blueprint. Every cell in our body needs this blueprint to function and replicate correctly. If mecobalamin levels are low, the DNA synthesis could be affected, potentially leading to various health issues. In essence, mecobalamin is an unsung hero in our body's daily operations. It's like the silent engine that keeps the city, our body, running smoothly and efficiently. Without it, the city could fall into disarray, leading to health issues that could have been easily prevented. So the next time you think about your health, remember the importance of mecobalamin. It's not just a form of vitamin B12, it's a critical component that ensures our body functions as it should. It's the maintenance crew, the transport system, and the blueprint all rolled into one. That's the power and importance of mecobalamin.